everybody? It's Dakota here for another video, and I'm really excited for this day's video. So what we're doing is we are going to a open house at a new shop called Motorsports in Austin, Texas. Super excited because they build a lot of really cool race cars, and they have a beautiful shop. I'm very excited to go see it, and there's going to be a lot of other cool cars that are coming down. So just got the Corvette washed, everything's ready to go, so I'm really excited to get down there. Before any comments criticize me for going through a spin brush car wash, first of all, I'm very tired right now, and second of all, it's okay. The paint on this car is not good anyway, and it's going to get wrapped, I promise, so it's all going to be fine. But without anything else, let's go ahead and get on down there. Guys, so we just got here, as you can see, Motorsports, and so far it looks like we got a whole bunch of really cool Corvettes and a Camaro ZL1 is what it looks like. Also got a nice little C6 next to me as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and head inside. So while we're in here, I'm looking at all these awesome cars, and one thing for me is I really do love the C4 Corvettes, and not only is this one a Grand Sport, but it's the Callaway Grand Sport. It's got the stitching in the headrest, and it's in pristine condition for a C4 and everything. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous.
They went all out. Yeah, they did. That's amazing. That's pretty, isn't it?
And over here we have a few race cars. Again, another C4, which is absolutely insane looking. Once you get over to the interior, I mean, it's just a straight up track monster. This thing is so cool looking. And then we got, looks like a Boss 302 track car, some sort of actual street race car right there. That's a Time Attack Z28, I believe. And we have a lot of other beautiful cars here in the shop. That is really, really cool. Over in this corner we have a Z28 that looks like it's built for the tracks. It's got a cage, it's got Sparco seats, got the Motorsports windshield banner, and then if you come into the engine bay, this thing has got to be insanely fast. It's got the fast LSXR 102 intake manifold, cold air intake, looks like it has coilovers. I mean, this thing has got to be an absolute beast on the track, let alone these things are on beast on the track from the factory. I can't imagine how insane this thing drives. So besides inside, outside there's a really big turnout for everybody as well. But I could just imagine this Miata right here that's lifted and caged and everything would be absolutely a blast to drive. I said that Miata was fun to drive, but look at this. This is a Toyota Starlet, and if you could tell by the seats in this, if you know what car this is from, you're going to imagine what's in the engine. Look at that. There's a rotary attached to this turbo, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. Look at the tires in the rear and the skinnies in the front. This thing is made to go fast. Alright guys, and like I said in there, now this C4 right here, you know me, I have a sweet spot for C4s, and this is a C4 ZR1. So basically, if I had an unlimited amount of money, this would probably be the first thing I would purchase, because I've always wanted to see one of these in person, and this is the first time I'm able to, and it's just as awesome as I thought it would be. These things were insane when they came out, and even still today, they're amazing. So hopefully one day I could get one of these, but wow, such a nice C4. This is the ultimate lineup. This is the Hellcat Red Eye wide body, and the C7 ZR1 with the factory big spoiler. Both of these things are just nuts. So this one is in the purple color with these big wheels. Such a cool car. And then again with the ZR1, now this is ultimate dream goals right here. Both are just beautiful cars. The amount of carbon on this is nuts. Walked all the way to the end of the lot for this, but here we have, I think it's wrapped, a white Lamborghini Urus with some 23-inch chrome red wheels. Now this thing is awesome. I've only seen a handful of Uruses in my lifetime, and this one is done up super, super well. Alright everybody, so we just got back to the house right now. Really cool to see that shop. I really like how it looks. Hopefully I'll be able to take the Corvette there for some performance mods someday, so that would be really cool. But I'll definitely visit that place again. It was really cool. Thank you all so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you want to help me out with a like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. And then some more mods are going to be coming for this Corvette and probably Matt's Q50 soon. So I'll see you in the next one.